The sound of Christmas bells awakens the city and reminds everyone to pause and share peace. AltonNguyen invites you to enjoy the song Santa Claus Finding His Way. Bells ring through bright windows, awakening the street sleeping in the mist. The flower seller pauses for a moment, listening to the sound drifting through the streets. The hurried car slows down. Those far from home suddenly miss their homeland. A child looks at the sky and asks, who is the bell calling in the long night?
The bell rings,
Peace descends upon the streets,
breaking the distance
between hearts.
The bell rings,
Love opens its doors for the sad to find home. Each chime is a gentle reminder, don't forget each other amidst the hustle and bustle.
on Christmas night.
Countless hearts sing together for the world to shine brightly.
And harmoniously.
From the church to the apartment complex, the bells blend with the children's songs. Workers finishing their late shifts smile in the dim light. A couple who was once angry with each other suddenly call out to each other with a voice of anticipation. The bell doesn't say anything too loud, but it softens so many dry hearts.
Please, bells,
Call for peace to return.
where more still covers the long night.
Please, bells, call for those far away to reunite. Call hope back to tomorrow. Each chime that passes through the world is a declaration of love that will never fade. The bells chime slowly as the night nears its end. The echoes linger within us. Tomorrow, the streets will return to their old rhythm. Please, let our hearts not hasten to part. Merry Christmas. The bells will forever remind us. Peace begins in every home.